Hi guys, thank you so much for your registration. Welcome you all to the T-Preneur 5-day WhatsApp workshop. My name is Suresh Radhakrishnan. I'm a serial entrepreneur, public speaker, and chief business coach of world's leading ecosystem for modern tea outlets. I know a lot of you are attending across the world from different parts of the world. I just want to know about yourself as well. Please introduce yourself in the comments. Please pause this video. Yes, I'm serious. Please pause this video and write your name and what do you do and where are you from. All right. Hope you have written it in the comments. I will be replying to that. All right, great. So here we go on to how you can utilize this game plan workshop. What is the opportunity for modern tea outlets? And what are the steps forward? Please follow this induction video carefully till the end to more about this community and its impact. All right. So about the community, as I told, we are world's leading ecosystem for modern tea outlets. Yes, I'm really serious about it. We are the only ecosystem for modern tea outlets. And these are our silver member brands, right? These are outlets across the world. We have outlets across Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Mangalore. We have across India and also across the world. We have our members opening outlets in Middle East, Muscat, Dubai, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, a lot of places. Yes, that's the reason I call it as world's leading ecosystem for modern tea outlets. Yes, I'm sure you will also get inspiration by looking at these outlets. Like Teago is a brand in Bangalore, one of our members' brand. Chai Hood is in Chennai. Marlax Cafe in a Tier 3 place, Gudiyatham. Tea Tuckers in Salem. Teapot Cafe in Hyderabad. That coffee joint in Chennai. Tea Queens in Chennai. Coffee Cat. Chai Joy in Hyderabad. They're franchising across multiple outlets. Chai Avenue, Tea Tribe in Bangalore, Chai Castle, that coffee joint, right? Hope you get inspiration by looking at these outlets where our members are present. Yes, awesome. So, and about myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur with 15 years of experience. So I carry experience across F&B, across hospitality, across IT, across training, a lot of areas, right? So I'm the founder and chief tea officer of a brand, Chaikant. We are a chain of tea outlet brand with 16 stores in Tamil Nadu, right? So these are our outlet pictures. And these are some of the outlets in Chennai and Madurai. So why am I doing this? Because of a very simple reason. Let people not repeat the same mistake which I have done. When I started my tea brand, I faced multiple failures. Way back in 2016, when I launched, there were not many brands, right? And people laughed at me. What? Tea shop? People call me crazy. Why do you want to start a tea outlet? I'm sure some of you might have got this experience. When you would have told this business idea to your friends and family. Yes, so people laughed at me, people called me crazy. But I was very firm because I looked at this as an opportunity. I don't do business to satisfy other people's ego or my ego. All right. So the problem in this industry, it's not clean, it's not hygiene, it's not consistent. The product is not consistent. And the solution is modern tea outlet, right? So I faced a lot of difficulties in the initial days of business. I went bankrupt. I burnt about 25 lakhs in the first 1.5 years of running my tea venture, right? And that's the reason I thought it will definitely help a lot of people to start their modern tea outlet, right? You'll not believe more than 80% of the mistakes are common mistakes that every entrepreneur will do. Right? If you can tell them, okay, these are all the things that has to be done. And I strongly believe in going with the process, going with the framework, right? If you can talk about my failures, my learnings to people, they can correct that and then they can save a lot of time and money, right? And my mantra is fail fast, learn fast. I'm not guaranteeing you a smooth journey. Of course, you will face failures, right? But you can avoid blunders. Mistakes could be done, but need not do blunders, because all of these people, as I told you, the common mistakes, if you keep repeating the same mistake which others have done, it's a blunder. All right. And my purpose is to impact through entrepreneurship. Right. Through, I have my own brand. People ask me, why are you running this community? You have your own brand, you have your own franchisees. And why do you want to do this? You're creating competition for yourself. Right. I said, I want more competition. And people told, you're sharing a lot of secrets. You're sharing a lot of secrets to people. It is wrong. And I don't believe in secret, and I don't believe in competition. I believe in cooperation. We together should coexist. When a lot of people join me in the sector, we will educate the sector together. Right? And modern tea outlet is a massive business opportunity. Right, for a lot of reasons. So I will also be taking you through that as well, right? And that's the reason I'm doing this. I'm building a community because I don't want people to repeat the same mistake which I have done from my experience of running multiple brands, multiple franchisees, right? And what is the opportunity and what's your goal? As I was talking about the opportunity in the space, clean, hygiene, and consistency is an issue. Right? And post-pandemic, all of us are worried about the food that we consume. We always focus on safety and hygiene post-pandemic. Yes or no? Yes. We're very mindful of what we eat. Right? And you would not find crowd at the restaurants, but you will definitely find crowd outside the tea shops, people wearing masks and then having tea. How many of you have observed? How many of you have observed? Type OBS if you have observed this. Type OBS in the comments if you have observed this. I'm sure in every city, in any town, you would have got this. You would have checked this out, right? And this was an article where I also gave inputs to this article. And one of our students also got covered in this article. Why tea business is growing amid pandemic, right? And one of the very few food business retail models that is really doing well during the pandemic is tea business. Okay, because it's a high frequency product and it's an addiction to a lot of us, right? I know a lot of you attending are tea lovers, are tea addicts. Tell me, how many teas will you have in a day? Tell me, how many teas will you have in a day? Please type that in the comments. 2, 3, 5, 6. Right? I know a lot of people have more than 3 teas in a day. And if I ask you how many times you'll have biryani in a week, maybe once or twice, max, or once in 2 weeks. How many times you'll have fried rice in a week? Yes. So all of these are low frequency products. And during the tea time, you would definitely want to have tea. So this is a phenomenon with a lot of people. Right? And tea is not just a beverage, it's an emotion for a lot of us. Yes, I know a lot of people, they get so emotional attached to tea, right? I might be exaggerating, no. I've seen this in a lot of people, and tea is one such product, right? And it's one of the world's second largest consumed beverage in the world, right? At any given street, you will find at least 1 or 2 tea shops, minimum. And there is a statistics which says that there are about 10 lakh tea shops in Tamil Nadu alone. Right? You can figure out other states, right? The kind of volume, the kind of business opportunity for a lot of entrepreneurs. And especially when you look at modern tea outlet, when you look at salon industry before 15 years, right? It used to be barber shops. We never call it as salons. Now look at the space. How this industry has transformed. The same thing tea outlets is also going through, especially because people are looking at safety and hygiene in whatever food that they consume. Yes, and modern tea outlet is the solution. Yes, and that's the reason it's a massive opportunity. If you are looking at starting a business, especially working professionals, if you're looking at starting a new business that can fetch you regular income, this is one massive opportunity. And business owners who are attending, who wanted to create another source of income from another business. Because once you acquire customers, right, they're going to be with you if you're not going terribly wrong, right? And for business owners, if you're looking at another source of income, this is a fantastic opportunity, right? So what's your goal? Do you want to do a single outlet, or do you want to do chain of tea outlets, or you wanted to do chain of tea outlets with own stores or as franchise model, right? So I always request people to dream big, have bigger goals, right? Like some of our silver members who started and they're running multiple outlets and they're franchising it out to multiple outlets across India, right? Chai Jai is a brand. They've got more than 10 outlets now. They're based out in Hyderabad. Yes. So you can just Google this and check. Tea Types is another brand in Telangana. They've got more than 100 outlets across Andhra, Telangana, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, right? And they are there in the community. They're there in the community, right? So what's your target, right? I would request people not to fix a small goal. Have a bigger goal. Have a bigger goal in life. And at the same time, people dream about things, right? If it is a dream, it is only a wish. But if it's a goal, it's an actionable dream. Decide whether you wanted to go with the actionable dream or just a dream. Because a lot of us, we keep talking about business ideas. We get so excited when we talk about business ideas, but we don't get into action. That's a problem with a lot of them. All right. So only when you try, you will know whether you will succeed or not. Failures will come in the journey, but eventually it is going to be a learning for you. Right. But if you are afraid to take action, you will not know whether you will succeed or not. Right. So get into action, take up this opportunity. That's something that I would suggest. Now, what is Teapreneur game plan? What is the agenda of Teapreneur game plan? The day one, we're going to talk about business models and revenue channels. It's going to be a recorded session. All the 4-day session, first 4-day sessions are going to be recorded sessions. Day 2 will be on customer segments and competitor analysis. Day 3 will be on budget plan, menu plan, and SOP. SOP is structured recipes. Okay, so recipe, anybody can create a recipe. But if you can put process, if you can put structure in a recipe, it's called SOP, standard operating procedure. Right? Location selection. And then day 5, how to select the best tea powder, ₹1 million tea model, launch roadmap in the next 30 days, and then silver membership. So that's going to be live. And you might get a lot of queries during the 4-day session. You could also reach out through email, put up a message, and you can also note down questions and ask your questions live on day 5. So if you're very serious, please attend all the sessions and complete the exercises. So I will take you through that, how you can do that. Right? An objective of this game plan is to make you launch a profitable outlet in 30 days. I'm going to give you a launch roadmap on day 5. It'll give you an exact roadmap on what are the weekly activities that you need to pursue so that you can launch your profitability outlet in the next 30 days. And what is this community all about? This community is all about community for aspiring modern teapreneurs. And we are a family of more than 2,000 teapreneurs. 2,000 teapreneurs have got benefited out of this. And look at our success stories. And these are our success stories, our success brands, right? And a lot more to come, This page cannot hold more brands, but I've picked few brands here and there. But then there are a lot of success stories in the community. So if you want to be one among them, and if you take inspiration from them, please take this workshop seriously, right? And discipline is very important. Complete the program, complete the session every single day so that you can take massive action. Yes. How many of you wanted to get featured? How many of you want your outlet to get featured in this page? Yes. Type yes in the comments, please. Yes. Type yes in the comments, please. Awesome. So once you are done, get featured in the Teapreneur Achievers Club, right? Where all of us silver members, once they reach success, I get them interviewed and I feature in all my social media pages. right? So this is a privilege that I wanted to give to the members who take massive action and then who get into action and make it successful, right? So why are they successful? Very, very simple. They go with a systematic approach. They follow a simple framework that I give it to them, right? So once you take action, once you start your outlet, get featured in the Tpreneur Achievers Club. Yes. Now tell me, who all wanted to get featured in Tpreneur Achievers Club? Yes. Type TAC if you wanted to get featured in Tpreneur Achievers Club. I might ask you to put keywords here and there, but then please do that. Definitely, that's for the interaction, right? It should be monotonous, right? All right. Awesome. So that's about the game plan workshop. And what are the key pointers? What are the key pointers? And when it comes to success stories or Tpreneur Achievers Club, I have shared links in the description. Please go click the description. You will find a lot of useful links. There are useful videos that you can go through, learning videos. Go through all of those things and then get benefited. All right. Awesome. So key points: commitment. You would have landed up in this workshop, right, for a different reason. But then let's be very clear now, right? You should get the maximum benefit out of this workshop. You are paying money, be it 500 or whatever, right? Get the maximum out of this. And let me assure, you have paid 500 for this workshop. You will definitely take value worth 50,000 rupees. Yes. So for that, you need to have commitment. You might find concepts here and there you would have already learned, but wait for a lot of things, right? And I will guarantee that you will get a lot of sparks before you complete the session. You will definitely get a lot of sparks before you complete the session. So wait for it. Completely attend all the modules. Even if you miss it out due to your work schedule, please do complete during the free time. The recording will be there. All right. And take action. I want you guys to take action on all the sessions. Right. And the first thing, you would have received an email by now. Just go check out your email, join the WhatsApp and FB group. That's very, very mandatory. Right. That's when you get regular updates regarding the workshop. And you get all the session links in the WhatsApp group. And as I told, complete daily modules as per schedule. The batch will start at 7 o'clock daily. So please do not miss it. Allocate that 5 days consistently for the workshop. Be active, do the exercises, drop your comments on all the videos. And as I already told you, it's a recorded session. So please make it interactive. If you have any queries, you put it under the video. I will definitely answer to it. So go to the comment section under this YouTube video. Just comment whatever queries you have, right? So complete daily exercises and post it on the FB page and also update it on the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group will be open at 3 o'clock every day. Once it is open, take a snapshot of your exercise and then put it in the WhatsApp group. And as I already told you, if you have questions, please note it down, send me an email. Also, you can ask questions live on day 5. All right. So I think we are good to go now. Are you all with a high energy? Are you all with high energy to take up the session consistently? Yes. Type high energy in the comments, please. Type high energy in the comments, please. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. So thank you so much for watching the induction video. Please follow this discipline. That's very important. The success of this workshop is dependent on your actions. All right. So see you on day 1 session. Until then, bye. Take care.